Perseus.
Don't feel fucking to me. 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 Come on. Don't feel fucking to me. Don't feel fucking to me. Come on. Don't feel fucking to me.
Chad, baby. It is Friday. Keegan, how are you feeling, my brother?
Hey, feeling good, brother. It feels like it's been a long week, but it's good to be at the end of it, eh?
Loud. No, feeling good. It's Forgotten Bangers. Chad, please, before we continue, someone's saying there's no space for the songs. Let me just show you before we continue, Keegs. Right there at song title and artist, there's a description. So there, or is that all right? You know, I'm wrong. I was wrong. Keegs, I do apologize. Chad, I apologize. You are right. You guys are right. Let me just do this quickly. As men, we don't like to be wrong, but I was wrong, and I do apologize, Chad. Is the link still the same? Wait, before we continue, is the link is not the same. Okay, give me a second. It takes a big man, Neil. I agree. Takes a big man to say, hey, I'm wrong. But I was wrong, yeah.
All right, Chris, you quickly, I need to go pee, bro.
Go pee. I wanna sort this out first quickly. But if you're married, you're gonna be wrong a lot of times, so it becomes easier. Becomes much easier. All right, Jakes. You're right there, my brother. You were right. All right. Chat, how you guys doing? Friday. How's the week been? Chat to me. How you guys feeling? Tough week, good week, average week. How do you rate your performance? Give me a quick answer there. Let me know how the week was. Let's quickly get that out of the way here. let's quickly chat. How's the week been? It's been a good week. Nazam, beautiful, my brother. Awesome to hear. Michaela, tough week. Chat to me, why was it a tough week? That's why we here, all of us here as a trading family. This is your safe space where you can come and chat about your trading week. Even just life in general. It's been a good week. Awesome to hear. Best week in a long time. Neo T. Awesome, my brother. Cuck week for me due to making mistakes and not sticking to the trading plan, but the comeback is always better. Dorian, beautiful. At least you know where you went wrong. It's an issue if you don't know where you went wrong. 2G's trading, the reminder has been set. Bev, we're actually going to get you on a call here live with everybody. So straight after the analysis, we're going to phone you. So just be ready. Let's lock in. Keegs, after the analysis, while we wait for the shuffle, we're going to give Bev a call here on speaker and quickly lock in those dates for the Cape Town PE invasion.
That's cool. I was gonna say, what did Bev do now?
No, they want to come down. So, Bevy, sorry, man, we had Ed's segment this morning, so we're going to phone Bev here live, Chad. Bev will make an appearance. Said yesterday I need a 5K to buy the pool table that I want, and good news, table. Hey, Stove will be... It's always weird that there's a pool on a table, but each to their own. Very productive week on gold. Didn't trade much, just personal stuff that got in the way. Good luck. Week was good, feeling grateful to be here. Amina, thank you so much. Amina, really, Chad, that thing, Amina, last week. Thank you for that. That's why we've got the community. That last week stuck with me, what Amina said. Like that bad juju stuff. Hey, Amina, thank you so much for you and Azam. Really blessed to know you guys as friends. All right. Just want to say the VF support is amazing. They instantly solved my problem with my account. Günther, I'm telling you, Vault Funder, incredible stuff. Alrighty, Chad, let's get going here. It is Friday. We're going to see what we have here on deck. But before, as always, we're going to pray here. And every day, very simple prayer. The reason why we pray this simple prayer is irrespective of how you feel or what you think, this prayer covers everything that you need for the day. So if there are days where it's like, you don't know what to pray about and you're feeling down, whatever, you can pray this prayer and say, Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. And if you believe it, you can drop an amen in the chat. Amen. Beautiful. Okay, Chad, let's get straight into the economic calendar for this morning. And pound data coming out very strong. UK is loose. Very, very strong data coming out of the UK. A little bit later, we've got building permits coming out of the US. And then we've got all of these Fed speakers tapping the wires a little bit later tonight. But other than that, pretty straightforward day on deck here for us. So nothing major to look out for. And while we're on this, before we do the analysis, please check out the Ultimate Trader. I don't know if it's in the description. Let me just check. We haven't put it there. Give me 1 second, Keegs. Just want to put
Go for it, brother.
Ultimate Trader there. This year doing it, not this year, season 2, a lot more mentors, Chad. So I'm just putting it out there. I almost dropped the number, but all I'm saying is you guys don't want to miss this one. This is most probably the biggest one to date. We've only done 2, but let me just put that there. There we go. All right, so there's going to be some surprises. There's going to be some heavy hitters as well, but ultimately it's going to be a good one. Chad, DXY, end of the week. Let's check how this weekly candle looked. From the start, I don't like this, Keegs. I don't know how you feel about this gap up. I still don't know if this is legit or if was it a broker glitch. But anyways, this for me just looks super weird. But anyway, can this weekly still flip bearish? I don't know. But anyways, daily is bullish. We've had basically 4 days of advance. And just looking at this previous little cycle here, the most we've had was 5 days, and that was 2 weeks ago. And then we had a tiny little consolidation. So at one stage, we are going to consolidate a little bit before we continue higher. But it is still super bullish on the daily. And then also now looking at the Asia range, we've broken below Asia. Very simple for me going into this session is what do we do here? All right. Whenever we get there, what are we going to do there? And then after that, rejections, that is going to be bearish, closing above bullish. And then also just for the FSA that just joined us, very welcome to you guys. Please note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please consult with your nearest financial advisor before making any financial decision. The only guarantee we make here is that there will always be good vibes. Those are the only guarantees. But other than that, past performance is not indicative of future results. How was that, Keys? Good?
Great, bro.
Okay.
Compliance would approve.
Okay, shot, my brother. Chad, yesterday rejecting monthly R1. We've got a daily breakout here. So things are looking super bullish in the US. I'm going to say monitor this daily EQ level, that little flat body resistance area that we've broken out now. So whatever we do here later, that's going to be quite a key level. Still within the Asia range. Yesterday, price action was very messy. I don't know. Some guys got mauled there yesterday. Cracker doing absolute God's work there yesterday. So for me, simple. Whatever we do here, false break maybe below, hold, come back, test Asia highs, or breaks below, continue lower, but still just within the range. Nasdaq real quick. Daily, what happened on the daily? Ooh, okay. Interesting one for me. While we had our call last night with the Project G guys, I said it's very interesting what's happening here because we're sitting within 2 zones here. We've broken up. If you look on a line chart here quickly, you can see that the order flow is bullish on the line chart on the daily. But now this little section here is quite an interesting little intersection where we are at now. And I say that because look here, Chad, we've got a little support area there. We broke up, closed back below, and now yesterday tried to push up. Closing bullish, but closing below this level. So today it is critical if price is going to continue higher to go and fill that a week and to potentially break out of this. Okay, so I'm just putting it out there for you guys. Otherwise, what could happen now is that is the potential shift. That is now the last rejection, and you're going to see a daily candle that's going to close something like this. And then that confirms the bearish order flow in the short term. So still bullish for me. Let's see if we can fill that a week from yesterday. 5 minute. What do we have on the 5? Okay. Very, very good. So daily pivot, Asia highs, super simple here this morning. Holds above, bullish, breaks below, bearish. And that is my idea for the day. Gold, beautiful. Massive breakout. I told you guys, I think it was somebody asking me a couple of weeks ago, and I said this could all just be correction. Overall, gold is super, super bullish. I don't see it turning around anytime soon, especially with all of the geopolitical tensions, all of the uncertainty going around globally, and especially going into a US election. So guys are going to be hedging their bets. So daily is still bullish. Interesting thing for me is we've created a new high, all-time high there. There's your Asia high. There's your daily R2. If we continuously reject there, we're going to pull back. But also note that Project G members, chat to me. What happens after we've had an expansion during Asia.
I was just thinking a bit, bro.
Yeah, I see the guys are slow this morning. It's Friday. Got to get those forgotten bangers going. All right, guys. If Asia was an expansion, what's going to happen is London is going to consolidate. London could potentially correct, and then NYSE would try and follow suit with that. So I'm expecting choppy price action for the rest of the session. On gold, we're just going to let it simmer here. We will come back to it a little bit later. GU, real quick, then I'm almost done, is a little bit messy. Yesterday, expecting that bearish continuation, holding 13100, now trading into this previous support area that got broken. So we're going to need to monitor that zone there. Order flow is bearish. We cannot deny it. This could all just be a pullback. But that flat body area is where I will be looking potentially for shorts this morning. All right. If we can hold below that level, I'm going to look for potential short. Otherwise, daily R2, massive spike to the upside. And I'm going to see if we can hold back below daily R2 to come and test this daily R1. Otherwise, this thing is gone for me. And last one, GJ, been dabbling a little bit in this bad boy again. Bullish for me. And bullish if we can hold above the previous daily high. And I want to see what we do on the 5 real quick. Okay. Asia highs there untested. We've got the 196 level there. So going to look for some potential corrections. But other than that, it looks pretty chalked here this morning, Chad. Let's see what Keegan can finesse us with. Keeg, show us what you are looking at. Nobody else but you.
Alright, okay guys, so started off with the dollar. Again, I spoke to you guys yesterday saying I wanted to see this daily key level 103.450 being tapped into, which we got perfectly, but then a weekly R3 showing some rejection there for the dollar, now coming back down. The thing for me now, very, very simple, yeah. This is, again, I want to say the bit of the make or break. Obviously, it is Friday, so Fridays we can anticipate those little pullbacks. Now, what I'd want to see over here is, again, traded down the whole session. So Asia highs, Asia lows, taking Asia lows, the EQ now. It either needs to hold these levels. I'm pretty much going to say those Asia lows. This will be the zone for us, or for myself. If that holds, and rejects, we're obviously going to see the dollar make that pullback. Probably to around the weekly R2, I'd probably say there, and then have it a range for the rest of the day. Otherwise, if it can get back above those Asia lows, that's where I'm going to look to see a move happen. Asia lows, and then see it run for those back to the daily key level, and Asia highs that remain untested. So very, very simple there. Asia lows, the main interest for me with DXY. Going over to Nasdaq, we spoke about it. So the reason we were still neutral was obviously coming into the idea that we had a bearish rejection off of that weekly R1. Now trading down here, holding that weekly pivot. We wanted to see a move back above. But the thing I spoke about was seeing this level over here was a big chance we could see rejection. So again, I have to be patient. That was obviously there holding a support, but then the next candle literally breaking back down. So a bit of choppy price action on Nasdaq, but trading all the way back down underneath. So for me personally, that's just looking at something of a little bit of a rejection. So what I want to see on Nasdaq is obviously trading over here now, trading down Asia lows, coming back up, Asia highs having its retest. That little fake out, as I always like to talk about, of the highs of the day. So if we're going to hold the EQ daily pivot, break back into Asia highs, I'm going to be looking for shorts on Nasdaq. Again, understanding we can see a bit of pullbacks on a Friday. So having that bullish push, having those failures at a rejection level, I want to see those sells on Nasdaq then today. Then US 30 again, same thing. We obviously had those all-time highs we ran. So these were the all-time highs of the week. We ran it, pulled back in. We broke back above. Now trading to a monthly R1, holding as rejection. Very, very simple for myself. If we can't get above that monthly R1, we are coming all the way back down here with US 30. So I'm going to look there for those previous all-time highs now, which we can see the daily pivot is exactly on as well. So what I want to take note of over here is Asia highs, Asia lows coming all the way back down. If we continue to break under this, for me the sells are on, but I want to take note of these all-time highs that possibly can hold as a support to either then come back up, otherwise the break, hold underneath, and then we'll trade to that EQ with a continuation play to the downside, retracing yesterday's move. But again, for me, this weekly R1, but mainly daily pivot and that previous day's all-time high zone is where I want to be looking for entry and confirmations. Then over to gold. Gold obviously running all-time highs. We finally broke that 2700 round number. So I actually want to put a marker over here. Let's just mark that out nicely. Coordinates 27 and psychological key level. Alright, so we know there's that 2700 now that's been broken and holding quite strong so far. So we obviously want to have the idea that if anything, Asia highs trading up daily R2. If this now, again, we always like to think of that daily R1. If it holds above, it can move to the daily R2, which it's already done, setting Asia highs there. If this comes all the way back down now, I'm personally, as I say, going to look for this retest of 2700. If this 2700 holds, look for longs back to the top side, see the continuation of the trend. But if we fail under 27, I'm just going to look for potential shorts to Asia lows and even maybe that daily pivot and potentially those previous all-time highs. But the main area for myself is going to be that psychological 2700. There's obviously from the initial breakout, we haven't had any retest there. But that is pretty much everything I'm going to be looking for, guys, from my side today. Silver's consolidated on a daily time frame, waiting for it to break. Hey, the Jane's trading silver now. Not in Project G, but should consolidate. Hey, I'm just saying, guys. It's gonna be funny when we want to see how many guys all want to join Project G when the cracker goes offline. I like Akiza saying how he's looking at the market's very compliant. Yeah, Nizam, it's just my personal opinion, bro. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'll execute on. It's a very selfless thing. You gotta think about yourself here. It's always you, myself, me. So yeah. But DXY is really the interesting one here right now.
Is that you, Keegan?
I'm done, brother.
Were you compliant?
I was very compliant, bro.
I love it.
And Nizam even approved.
Alrighty, Chad. Let's get in those daily bangers. It is important for me. How many responses? We need 2 more. Then you guys are going to rate it. But first, we're going to wait for these markets to open up. And then we are going to look at what Dylan Savage, our brother in Christ, is saying there. Philippians 4 verse 8 and 13 in the New King James Version. Finally, brethren, whatever things are true, whatever things are noble, whatever things are just, whatever things are pure, whatever things are lovely, whatever things of good report, if there is any virtue and if there is anything praiseworthy, meditate on these things. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Amen, amen. Dylan, I think you set me up with that Philippians 4 verse 13. I did tell you about the guy that cheated on his wife. And when the pastor asked him, he said, Pastor, this book here, Keegs, this book here, see this book, Pastor, right there. It said, I can do all things. All right. And the pastor said, hey, my brother, but please read the previous 5 verses. It says all things that are pure and good. Not that. But anyways, Chad, That's why taking anything out of context is dangerous. So that's just the little nugget there. Fundamental drop. Chinese shares rise as GDP meets expectations. China's central bank kicked off 2 funding schemes on Friday that will initially pump as much as 800 billion yuan, $112 billion into the stock market through newly created monetary policy tools. Traders raised their bets on quickfire ECB rate cuts on Thursday, taking the bank's first consecutive rate cut in 13 years as a green light from policymakers that a speedier easing cycle has begun. The dollar was headed for its third weekly gain in a row on Friday, helped by Davis European Central Bank and strong US data that is pushing out expectations for how fast US rates can fall, particularly if Donald Trump wins the presidency. Hamas leader, what is that? Yahya Sinwar was killed during a gun battle in southern Gaza on Wednesday by Israeli troops who were initially unaware that they had caught their country's #1 enemy. Sinwar, mastermind of the October 7 attack triggered Gaza war, was killed during an operation by Israeli soldiers in the Palestinian enclave, a pivotal event in the year-long conflict. Chad, pray for the Middle East. War is not good. No type of war is good. So pray for the Middle East. Pray for common sense to prevail there. And Chad, that is it. There we go. There we go. That is everything. Keys, can you please show me an example of what you mean when Asia high low is being tested or untested? Navaj, please go !Discord, my brother. Go work through all of that educational content, go all the way up, and then come back asking those questions. They're going to join soon because all their mentors don't. Yeah. Okay, close it. Alright, forgotten bangers, Chad. But before that, markets are going to open up here. We're going to actually get Bev to open it up with us. Give me 1 second here.
There's the one, brother.
That was one of the most compliant passes I've seen.
In the pocket.
Alright, Chad. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know, Bevan Gouws, one of the OGs here of the Chad. We're going to get Bev right online here. Let's just check here. Just want to bring this music down a bit. Bevy, give me 1 second, my brother. Because we're going to need to turn Bev up a little bit. Because this music is pretty loud. Okay. Bev, how you doing, my brother?
Good, thanks to you guys. Happy it's Friday.
Bev, just tell the chat a little bit about yourself before we continue here.
What do you want to know? What do you think they need to know?
Guys, we don't talk, you guys can't say brandy. Bev is a recovering alcoholic there, so you guys you can't say the trigger words here.
Baby, but before we go, Chad, markets are open and in motion. Ding, ding, ding. This is the official round 9 fight. All right, Bev. Listen here, my brother. So we are quickly going to do a little bit of dual work here, Chad. So, Bev, you said 9th of November, Keegs, 9th of November. The lads want to pull through, so that's basically 1, 2, 3 weeks. Bevy, do you want to come on the Saturday, or are you guys going to pull through on the Saturday or the Friday already?
I think what you said is you wanted to do the pod on the Friday, so maybe we come up on the Friday morning. Or is that,
I'm happy with that. Sorry, man, I just want to make some notes here in my diary. Keith, you happy with that 9th of...
Yeah, 9th should work.
November. Okay, who is it all? Is it going to be Etienne said... I think Etienne said
it's
not...
just myself and Slushy.
Okay, give me 1 second. Yeah.
I think Etie's under this crunch time for him going end of year and that with his articles, and he's too busy for us.
So basically the 8th, you guys are pulling through, eh?
Yeah, we'll come up on the morning on the 8th. We'll be there.
Okay, Bevan and Slash.
I don't know if you should. No, I'm not going to say that because it's self-detrimental. Never mind. Carry on.
Okay. Alrighty. Bev, any closing remarks here? Anything that you want to tell the chat? Anything positive? Anything bad?
No, I just wanna answer Nizam's question about me sending in a banger for today. I've decided that music is not my strong suit. So I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. It's some stuff is not made for everybody. I'm gonna take my leave while I can before I lose my stunner.
Okay, no. So Chad, Bev and Slashy will be joining us that Friday. We'll do a live podcast with the gents, and then on the Saturday, we're gonna do a little bit of a meet, not a meet and greet, just like chill a little bit with the traders here in Port Elizabeth. So we will let you guys know, but. Bev, appreciate it, my brother. Then looking forward to the 8th of November. Where's Slash here? I don't even see Slash here.
I think Slashy's got some stuff going on, but I'll make sure that we're there.
All right. And if you can, let's try and get Eti as well. Maybe we phone Eti's directors. Eti, let me know, but it would be lucky if Eti can come as well. But Chad,
I hope your couch is comfortable, bro.
Hey, bro, it's a big couch, bro. It's got to sleep me sometimes, so I'm sure you'll work there, bro.
Oh, yeah, then I'll definitely fit.
we'll get some blow-up mattresses here at the office. Bev, shot my brother, and then we'll see you down stream.
All right, guys, cool. Thank you.
Shot my brother. Cheers. All right, Chad. That was Bevan Gouws, BG, the man himself. If you didn't know what his voice sounded like, there you have it.
All right, so starting off the Forgotten Bangers, Chris, are you gonna open it up so we can set the standard before we go into the guys?
Huh? Must I start?
You open us up, bro.
Okay, let me think. Forgotten Bangers.
Otherwise, you can start with the guys.
Yeah,
if one of them miss, then you can have a little recovery for them.
I actually listened to one over the weekend, but okay, Chad. Forgotten Bangers here while we wait for that little 15-minute shuffle. Let's just quickly see what we have here. Is there anything we can look at taking here? GU is looking juicy. NASDAQ, there's that level. Daily EQ. It is a juice fest here. There's a little fake out. All right. Let's quickly see what is on deck here. Keegs, give me a second. Let me just
go for it, brother.
Let me just set up everything here. Let's get these songs lined up. Alrighty. See, the chat is chomping at the bit to get these bangers out. Now the Google Sheets is lagging. Beautiful. Just what we need. Okay. We said we're doing 5, eh, Keeks?
5, because then it's still yours and my entry on top of that.
Bro, what is this thing doing? It's chalked. It is chalked, chat. Do we still have internet, bro? What is going on?
It shows you have internet.
Okay. Chat, sorry man, this thing is funking out here. I already see dude, I feel it's a good one, eh? I saw some, I see the guys really put in a shift. They see Dave coming in hot here as well. I feel Dave has got a lacquer one going. What is going on now? Okay, so we're gonna have to do it differently. All right, we're gonna start with Dave's one. Dave's one is first on the list. Chad, this is Dave Vermeer. Please stand up, ladies and gentlemen, as we listen to the first. Keith, just give the guys quickly the breakdown of how this works on a Friday.
All right, guys. So starting on Friday, Forgotten Bangers. We've got 3 criterias, and it's a simple ABCs. A, it's got to be abandoned. B, it's got to be a banger. And C, it's got to be credible. So let's see if Dave meets the criteria for the Friday Forgotten Banger.
All right, Chad. Ladies and gentlemen, Dave Vermeer is setting us up with the first one for Friday. Here we go, baby. And it is called, let's see if you guys know what it's called. Drop what you think this song is called.
Who knows the song yet, Chad?
Of the gentle night is when I search for the light. Pick up my pen and start to write. I struggle to fight dark forces in the clear light without fear.
Here we go, baby.
Oh.
I can't get no sleep.
Okay, volume. We'll give you volume. Give me a second.
Alright, the guy's definitely saying it's an ABC.
Alrighty.
I used to worry. Thought I was going mad in a hurry, getting stressed, making excess
Dave,
mess.
the guy seems to be happy.
No electricity, something's all over me, greasy. Insomnia, please release me and let me dream of making mad love to my girl on the heath. Tearing off tights with my teeth, but there's no release, no peace. I toss and turn without cease, like a curse. Open my eyes and rise.
Right,
like
Chad,
peace.
we need a few more people here. Did Dave meet the criteria?
Taking sleepers, but now I keep myself pet. Deeper still, the night I write by candlelight. I find insight.
Even Forbes is happy with the ladies and gents.
So when it's black, this insomniac, take an original tack. Keep the beast
It
in
was
my nature
met.
under ceaseless attack. I get no
Okay,
sleep.
Chad. Let's see
I
ya.
can't get no sleep.
Here we go, baby. Friday.
ABCs. Now I know it.
I can't get no sleep. I need to sleep.
All right, Dave. The chat has spoken. It has got all of the ABCs.
Alrighty, Keegs. Just make notes there. Wait, let me get my notebook out here.
Number 1, Dave in the book.
Alright, Dave. Where's today's Dave? Well played to Dave. Okay. Alright, Chad. Dave, beautiful. Next up, we've got Michaela Naidu.
Oh.
Michaela Naidu. And we are going to see what she's going to cook for us today. Let me just see. All right. Okay. So Dave, Keegs, we agree. Dave,
Was it
ABCs. eh?
ABCs.
All right, Dave. All of it was met. So Dave currently setting the tone here. Very, very strong showing from Dave. But now, Michaela Naidu, please stand up. Let's start it from the beginning.
What a song.
Come on, baby. Friday.
What a song. Guys, I don't know if this is a personal opinion for me, but for me, ABCs. This song was part of my childhood. What a song.
Hey, Chad, starting off strong here.
The Chad is delivering this Friday. There we go, Michaela. I think the Chad's already spoken. ABCs, no doubt. People are understanding the memo this Friday. Well done.
This is a banger, bro.
What a song,
Banger,
bro.
banger, banger. Oh, Chad, incredible. It's just incredible.
Waiting
scenes
for the
here.
FSCA song choice.
Ah, good stuff, man.
Yo, Keegan, those were the days, bro.
Alrighty. If you're in the FSCA office and I've got all of the agents watching, it's like, what are you guys watching? We're looking for traders that's giving unintentional advice. It's like, I don't know what these guys are doing. They're just playing loud music.
Jex A is abandoned, my brother. Abandoned.
All right, Michaela, well played. You guys have honestly put on a. You've laid the foundation. The table has been set. So next up, Jex, our main man. Let's see what Jex is gonna produce. Yeah, Chad.
Jex.
I feel solid about this one. I've seen this one. Let's see. Bring it. Just slowing it down a little bit.
We're bringing it back down. Guys, what a time to be alive. Again, this is childhood stuff right here.
Let's go, Jexy.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies
Yo, Fobs, no ways, bro.
as I fell asleep.
No way,
'Cause
Fobs.
they fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare.
Just gonna put some more pressure on Jex. Jex is a DJ. Man's got to stand and to uphold. Jason, 100% a grade 7 vibes, bro.
It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I
Yo.
sleep. 'Cause everything is never
That's Keegan
as
destroy.
it seems. 'Cause I get 1,000 hugs
Yo.
from 10,000
The Chad is ruthless.
They tried to teach me how
Is the chat ripping into Jex?
Yeah.
No, man. Come on.
So,
chat.
okay. I get what the guys are saying. This isn't a banger in the sense like the others. Like, you're not going to go party to this in a club. No.
But it's
But it's a good song. Like, there's so many memories to this. It was a good time to be alive when this song came out. Remember, guys, when we say banger, we're not necessarily like a club banger. That's not what we mean. A banger is in like you would put this on in your car, pump it up, and you'd sing along or you'd vibe out to it.
So what is the chat saying?
So, but again, it's remember credible. It's up to the Chad. So, Chad, what is it? Does it meet the ABCs?
Oh, no, man. This is a classic, not a banger. Oof,
Okay,
tough
so
scenes.
A, it is abandoned, 100%.
Tough scenes here this morning. Chad.
So, yo, A's and C's, but not B.
Oh, okay. Jake's getting an A.
I used to hug my grade 7 girlfriend while texting on a BlackBerry to this song at the school disco.
Did somebody say Blackberry? Oh my goodness. Jakes. I still love you, my brother.
Oh,
Please
Jax.
know that we still love you, and we also love this song. Don't let the chat get into your mind. Bro, it's a solid song. It's a solid song. Hey, now even Bev is no, Bev. Yo, you guys are rough. Yo, you guys are ruthless. Who needs enemies with friends like this, Chad? Huh?
Oh,
All right.
brutal.
All right. Okay, so Jake's
Tough crowd.
Jake's. I don't think it's bad. So now we've got Meg Woods. I don't think I've seen Meg on
Woods,
the channel.
okay.
Betty.
Unless they got like another YouTube name, but
Betty, just confirm if it's this song. If it's not this one, just let me know. But next up, Betty's song, and I hope you guys are ready. So here we go. Okay, are you guys ready? I love this song.
okay, so this is a tough one for me. I've got a lot of emotional attachment to this song. So for me, it meets it, no doubt. It's a special song, but that's then 100% being biased for me.
Is this the song, Betty? Where's Betty? Betty, please stand up. Is this the one you were referring to?
Yeah, yes, Morgan John Stone Dance is my thing.
I love this song.
This isn't abandoned, but it is a banger.
B's and C's. Okay, Betty.
There was fire earlier on. You're putting out the fire.
I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long.
Chad, this is a banger, bro. This thing bangs.
Talk about it, I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on, do the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it, shouldn't talk about it.
The more reason to pull in. Summer's versus Raw. This is a C. So okay, so guys, so what are we saying? It's B's and C's. Some guys saying it's a banger, some not. I as I say, I have an emotional attachment to it, but I do say it's a banger. C, 100%. I definitely think it is credible. But I must agree, I don't know if it's abandoned.
No.
It's not abandoned yet.
I will say B, and I will confirm B and C.
Yeah.
But I also love this song, bro. I had this thing.
So many of their songs, bro. Down by the River.
Yeah, they've got-
Mogi Chance has got some awesome songs. Fobs,
Okay.
don't worry, bro.
Wait,
We're gonna
it's
bring it
coming.
back. You still
It's
got one
coming.
more, and then you
It's
got
coming.
Chris and myself.
Scamming, yeah.
We will deliver.
Rux, Chad is up next. This man is delivering.
Oh.
Rux, just I love it, Rux. I really see what you're doing here, and I love it.
Fobs, and also, bro, just because yesterday you thought that song was, I promise you, I said I'd deliver today. If I don't deliver the ABCs today, we'll do something up for the gents.
Okay.
We'll figure something out. If I do not deliver on the ABCs today. What? Incognito. The Advertising Regulatory Board got a surprise for those advertising fake giveaways like cars, money, etc. Stay tuned. Okay, we haven't advertised cars or money, so I'm glad to know.
No, that's for guys that have done it.
Like this before.
All right. So we're saying Betty's getting a B and a C, eh?
Bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before.
Alright, bro, I won't disappoint.
All right. Chad.
Okay, Bev, hold on. We'll do that, guys. I will get unspanned on our own channel if mine doesn't deliver.
Okay. Rocks. Chad. I don't know if you guys are ready.
Ooh,
I
the
don't know
last
if
one
you...
of the Chad.
Chad, let me... Geeks, I don't think the Chad's ready.
The last
Chad,
one of the
rocks.
Chad. What is it?
Chad. Ooh.
Ah!
Whoa. Ah, baby horn.
Okay, Chad. We got ABCs here.
Rocks, bring it here for
If
the boys.
someone says this isn't ABCs. ABCs to the power of 10. Correction. Black Label and First Fight. Loading music.
Damn, this thing bangs, bro. Dogs are loose.
Yo, bro, that's hard. All three of those were bangers. When you look at that list, Chad, you guys did well today. You did well today. Those are three bangers.
All right, Chad. So I've put out the top three that got the A, B's, and C's. I've put it in the poll there. First up was Dave with Insomnia. Second was Michaela with Auto Knows. I think it's 1,000,000 voices or 100 voices. And then Rux with The Rude Sandstorm. Yeah, that was when I was still young. I thought, damn, I want to do ecstasy and rave and just go to Burning Man. That stage, I didn't even know that it was Burning Man, but I was like, I'm ready to just make a lot of magic. No, I'm kidding. But anyways, Chad, that's your top three there. I'm going to get you guys to vote. Keegs, please drop your request.
Chris, you up first, bro. Right.
I can't get this. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yo, you kill me,
If
bro.
you want me to go, I'll go. But I know this thing is. I'm ready for it, bro. I'm ready.
Okay, Chad. Wait. Keeks, give me a second. Wait, Chad, give me a second. I must just Okay. You guys ready? Boys ready for this? Wait, let me pause.
Guys, that's the thing. I don't know what Chris is going with. He doesn't know what I've got.
Okay, here we go, Chad.
What did my boy deliver here today? I must say, I didn't expect this from you. I did not expect this from you.
Oh, Chad, baby.
Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling right, 2 a.m. summer night, I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing, rolling the Midwest side and now, living my life, getting our dreams, people told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back, if I fall, if I die, know I lived it to the fullest, if I fall, if I die, know I lived and missed some bullets. I'm on the pursuit of happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. Tell me what you know about dreaming. You don't really know about nothing. Tell me what you know about the night terrors every night. 5 a.m. cold sweats waking up to the sky. Tell me what you know about dreams. Tell me what you know about night terrors. Nothing. You don't really care about the trials of tomorrow. Rather lay awake in the bed full of sorrow. I'm on the pursuit of happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness.
Alright. Chris, I have sent it to you. But when you're ready, don't play it. Just let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
I'll be fine.
Okay, wait. Oh, Chad,
once I
wait.
get it. I'll be good.
Keegs, no pressure. Don't worry, Fobs. I've even got a little introduction there for you.
Keeks, just give me 1 second. I'm
Nah,
sorry.
bro, your song still goes, so sure.
Pursuit of happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. Pursuit
Okay. All right. All right. Wait, let me just pause it here. Oof. Okay, Keeks.
All right, guys. Hope you're ready for this one. This is a beat that's going to take you guys back with a message that's all about the unnecessaries and feeling free. It's an anthem for the liberation. And when this little beat drops, you're going to know it from the moment it hits.
Okay.
Guys, this is my personal Friday Forgotten Banger.
Here we go, Chad. I hope this is the right one.
It is.
Just let me know. Is this it? Sheesh. Let's go.
Chad, come on.
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong
Yellow
beliefs.
tune.
My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love.
It's Friday, baby.
What he's looking for, want more and more.
I was going to fight it, but I'm
People
feeling
just
it.
want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, freed from desire, mind and senses purified. Freed from desire, mind and senses purified. Freed from desire, mind and
Chad.
senses purified. Freed from desire. Na 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 na.
What a tune.
Didn't we get this song last week as well? I think Dave last week suggested this song.
Dave, did you do this?
Dude, I promise you, Dave did this song last week. Not that there's anything wrong with the song. All I'm saying is, was it Dave?
Can't argue that one.
It was Dave.
Was it? Dave is the one asking if you heard this last week.
Freed from desire. Mind and senses purified. Freed from desire. Mind and senses purified. Freed from desire.
It was played last week. Hey.
Yeah, it was.
Don't worry, Chad.
Alrighty, Chad. That is the Friday Forgotten Bangers. Keegs, what do you rate? How do you think the showing was here today?
Nah, I think the guys delivered, guys.
Do you think...
Wait. Hold on, Stove. I don't lose my wrench for that.
Huh?
I'll even choose another song. It wasn't not a banger. I just couldn't even remember it was played.
Did Stove say you must lose your range?
I'll even give another song if we have to. I didn't know that was played.
You. Okay. Alright. Chad, there's that daily level. There's that minor break of structure. This is something that I'm currently in. Please note that this market is still bullish, but I'm looking at this daily level right here. Look to my left here. There's your daily, your 1 hour on the 200. There's your daily zone. This is worth a shot for me. There's that massive support area that got broken. We traded there for 5 straight days. We are testing it now for the first time. And this is a little dab that I'm taking. One thing I do need to note is that we need to hold below this level for this trade to still be valid. And just looking at it, we are getting some corrective price action here. But that is the idea with this trade that I am currently in. And I'm going to see how we go about when we get to these two levels, the half round and the daily R2. Because ultimately, if we cannot get back below this daily R2, you know where this thing is going. This thing is going to the daily R3. So this is a little banger I'm taking with about a 10 pip stop. I just put it to 1-to-1 for the time being. I just want to see if we get some volume in here. And then GJ as well, there's 196. So we're going to see what this produces. 30-minute, 2 30-minute candle closures confirming a resistance up here. That resistance is confirmed. Can we correct some of this news candle? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But ultimately, 2 levels to consider. And I will personally go break even once I hit that daily R2 level. But let's see here. I want to see some volume when we come into these areas. This little equal low here. If we cannot get volume here, then I might just kill the trade, because that is the London session low. Markets open up here somewhere. So if we cannot break below that, this trade is no good. All right. We have to break that with volume and then continue lower. Okay. Keegs, let us see the Chad, what the Chad said here. Okay, Keegs, looking at the poll. Where's the poll? So, Rux with Sandstorm, my brother, you are the winner. 38% of the vote going to Rux. Michaela getting 31% of the votes, and Dave 29%. Dave, I feel like the Insomnia remixes are better, because that tail part of the song is the gist of it. So maybe we didn't do it justice. We should have maybe gone with the remix of it. But Insomnia and Sandstorm both in the same. I almost want to say you can have them in the same conversation, Keegs. What do you rate?
Yeah, I definitely think they could be in the same conversation, bro.
So, Chad, Dave, support will contact you to get you your account, my brother. Well done. Sorry, not Dave, Rux. Chad, I thoroughly enjoyed it. Keys, did you enjoy it?
Nah, today's one was good, bro. Today's is good.
I feel we can build on that. You guys have set a good standard here, and we'll see where we go from here. Alrighty, Chad, you got to stay below that level. One thing I do need to note is that this is looking pretty consolidative. I am expecting some type of correction. Dollar just needs to get back above that level, otherwise this trade is no bueno. But it is a major level, as mentioned, massive level, and it's worth the shot. That this is the first retest there, so it is worth a shot. But I need to see some willingness here from the sellers. You got to see these lows being taken, and I want to see them taken with volume. If we dip below and we come back up again, no good. I want to see volume come in here. Otherwise, they are not done yet. Yeah. Okay. GJ also rejecting 196. What is gold doing? Gold correcting as expected. NAS holding above daily pivot, just grinding to the upside. US 30 holding that level. No retest there, but very likely Asia highs on deck. And then GU. GU is playing here. Enter there. Let's just get my not us. Let me get my timed exit here. Enter there. Looking like it wants to hold there. What is Euro doing? You're at 200. 15 minutes. Alrighty. Chad, personally, after this candle closes, we're gonna need to see volume. So unless I see any type of momentum to the downside, I might just kill this trade. I want to see momentum. This for me, this chop, no. Any good trade goes immediately. This here is cuck, but I just want to see at least if we can tap that level. If not, then no trade. Not a good trade, yeah. 1 minute 45. Let's check DXY. Let's check. What is this thing doing? Chad, I've literally set my TP at entry. I'm going to see how this 15 closes, after this 5 closes. 10 seconds, yeah, don't like it. 3, 2, yeah, killed it there. Yeah, 1 pip, killed it there. Yeah, no continuation here. We'll see a little bit later. But this candle here, after that retest, should have driven. So minus 1 pip. Is it 1 pip? Yeah, basically. Yeah, 1.2 pips. I'll wait for it. I want to see a break and I want to see a move. This year, for those of you that have traded with me, if you reject a level, I want to see volume coming, especially a daily level like this. This is not just any level. This is a very, very big level on the charts. And the fact that we are still consolidating around here, I'm going to give it another chance a little bit later if we get it. But decided just to kill it there. You want to see volume.
So sorry, Chris. I'm just seeing obviously that dumb stupid question there from 444. Even though it was timed out, but 444, if you're still there, my brother, like this is a question which again I think you're just a retard. If you go somewhere and let's say you enter a trade and you enter R1 million in that trade, and you down 500,000, what, you're not going to close it and at least keep 500,000 and you can build it back up? Rather, you're going to sit there and just watch more and more and more money go wrong because, hey, I'm not going to admit you were wrong or you don't like what you're seeing on a position. That's called trade management, my brother.
How can you enter trade in this? Dude, I didn't this. Anyways, Chad. No, look, I don't get triggered, so you guys don't have to worry. 444 number. Just a tip, my brother. When you enter a trade, there's only 2 probable outcomes. Actually, 3. You're either gonna win the trade, you're gonna lose the trade, or it's gonna be a break-even trade. But at no stage do we ever know what the outcome is gonna be before we enter the trade. So the game of probability tells me that if I enter sell, what do I want to see the markets do? I want to see the markets sell. If I enter buy, I want to see the markets buy. Then what price is going to do? Price is going to start telling you a story. And when I entered there with the expectation that we've rejected the level and I want to see volume, that is the bet I'm willing to take, that price is going to go down, and that risk that I'm putting on the table is the money that I am willing to lose. But I don't sit in a trade where price is not going in my direction. I don't see momentum and volume. Okay, so it's very simple. Didn't disagree with the trade, but anyways, 444 number, we'll pray for you. Go exclamation prayer. Let's get you on that prayer list. Let's pray for you, my brother. Shame, yeah, I can see 444 number. Tried streaming for 4 days.
What then, did he disagree with his opinion?
I don't know. I see streamed for a week and it was like, nah, that's not for me.
You can't start something and disagree with the 444. Nah, you decide you're a streamer, you're going to be a streamer for the rest of your life, bro.
Man, streamed for a week and it's like, nah, not for me. I'll rather watch other guys stream. Alright, chat, let's just quickly do a brief overlook here. DXY 200. One thing I do want to say is dollar back on deck if we can do something like that. Otherwise, as mentioned, we can have a pretty range-bound day, especially after all of this bullish momentum we've had to the upside. US 30, again, just a little nip and tuck here, and then going back to Asia highs. Nasdaq's grinding it out here. Gold, as mentioned, expecting that pullback during London. I don't know how we could have entered here. There's your half round number. Yeah, no real trade opportunity there for me. GU, yeah, I don't like this. This year, when it starts consolidating, this thing can just grind down and then later push up. I want to see volume in my trade. And then GJ is also quite a saucy one, purely due to the fact that we are bullish while we're holding above the previous daily high. But again, my thing is we had that nice, beautiful expansion to the upside. And now it is a case of where do we go from here? Do we feel like there's enough volume left for price to hold above 196, tackle that daily R1? Or do we think we're going to go back for this previous daily high and previous weekly high retest? That is the idea. So I'm looking at 2 probable scenarios here. Is that if maybe get a break there, maybe a little pullback play there, but other than that, there's nothing much. Keegs, is there anything that tickles your fancy?
Nah, bro. Price barely moving this morning. So yeah, I'm quite locked in for New York. Got some new things we want to test out, so I'm locked in for that.
Yeah. The safer play here for a short idea is actually below here. This is actually the safer play. There's your half run and your daily R2. That is the safer play, but I wanted to get something off this daily level. This is a massive level. But just the way that it's bumping and grinding here like two teenagers at a socky. We couldn't bump and grind. We did the zombie. We danced like this, my bro. Couldn't come in close, bro.
Really?
Yeah, we had to do the zombie.
Okay, no, we weren't that bad. Bro.
Did you guys lock it in?
Yeah, bro.
Bumping and grinding, or just bumping? Yes, dude, so you guys. No, but I'm not talking high school now. I'm talking primary, like standard 5. Did you guys bump and grind?
Standard 5 is grade 7.
Yeah. Did you guys bump and grind in grade 7?
Yeah, so even the school is that we had obviously
man.
a grade 7 farewell dance, and we still had like slow dances there, and
bro.
it's the Wild West out here, bro.
Yes, dude. No, we had to zombie, dude. It was like they had like people watching it. It's like this little warn. Like as soon as you wanted to come in close, like pop kicks, no. Red card for you. No. Phone his parents. Get this guy out of here.
Oh my word.
He's trying to bump and grind. No, bro.
Jason, the basic, bro. The basic. Not like the advanced course. The basics. When you start doing the whole behind the backs and all this crap, I'm lost then. Then you've lost me.
Oh, okay, it's incredible. Unity markets, dude. I've thought about that, but the weird thing is now this. Now you hedge your position. Okay, I don't know what you are specifically referring to with hedging, like hedging the full position, hedging it partially. But let's say, for instance, what you are talking about, you're in a buy position, okay, and now you basically 1-to-1, and now you're saying
color scheme there, bro.
No, I'm gonna change it back. Fuck that. Sorry, Chad. That is like, these are my trades. Like it's entertainment, it's education. It's not even education. It's just me streaming what I'm looking at, and don't be an idiot. Okay, so now you're mentioning, and I've thought about it. Okay, let's say you're 1-to-1. Now the question is, do you do a full hedge exactly the same size as the previous one, so you move the stops to break even there, or do you do a partial hedge? Because now the weird thing is now this hedge position is now your hedge now, and if market goes up, you've locked in a 1-to-1. Now it comes back, it stops that trade out at break even. What do you do with this position now? Do you go break even on that as well, but maybe let's say it does something like this, and now you didn't take anything? The other side of it is now you start building into a short position, trying to hedge, and slowly but surely these hedges start eating into your 1-to-1 to the stage where it's now break even. So why not take the low-hanging fruit? I ask myself, why not take the profits off the table? Why not go in the direction that you wanted to go to? Why hedge? It's, for me personally, hedging is a no-go. It's just being greedy. Take your piece of the market, call it a day. Now you're getting into a hedge, and now you're building a hedge position. Your bias is bullish, but now because you're hedging, now you want to start selling. Yeah, no. Keep it simple. I tell myself. I think that telling myself thing, we can start building that in, like every time you say something that you might feel could be advice, you're like, I'm telling myself this. What do you rate? Just as a...
Yeah, I know, bro. I think that can work. You gotta manifest it, bro.
I definitely feel that that's a little bit. Interest here, bro. Friday. I thought we are gonna get some volatility here.
All for New York, bro.
Ah, look at this thing. Fakaraka. Nas. Oh, there Nas is starting to. I know there's some DJs here that took this. I know it. They're engulfing. Drop a 2 in the chat if you were DJing and you bought it from Asia. I don't know what to say, Keegan. I don't know what to say. Do you think this stuff works that we teach ourselves on a daily basis of Asia lows and Asia highs? Do you think it works, Geeks?
Every now and again, bro. I think it's we just like to do these things for fun. I mean, every now and again, you might get lucky and it works. But
so you've seen that if an Asia low gets taken and it comes back in the range, we'll go to Asia high. Eh?
Yeah, that's
That
it.
is something you've seen. Okay. All right. Bro, I just wanted like a light little banger here today. Just a little banger. Nothing. I'm not even asking for a lot, dude. It's just a tiny little banger. Just a little bang ski. Stove, no, I'm not in any trades, my brother. I killed my GU trade. Just purely for the fact that we had quite a bit of good data come out. And for me personally, I want to see volume come in. So all of this overlapping price action, this is corrective. Not that I'm saying we can't reverse, but I wanted to see volume come in. So I personally, for me, I took a 1%, not a 1%, a 1 pip loss on it. That was me. There's my 1 pip. I think it's 1 or 1.2. I'm not even 100% sure. But again, major daily level. It's a massive level. This level is big. It's tested for the first time. Your first test is usually the strongest. And yeah. And then also I'm looking at this. Because this level is untested. Previous daily high, that's also the breakout zone. So looking for a nice potential pullback play. Maybe not. But I feel if I have to look at maybe shorting this, I would wait for something like this that I want to see. Yes, dude, compliance is so fun, man. It's just a fun thing to do, being compliant every single day. Like most of the married men would say, it's already so fun being compliant at home, and now coming to the live streams, we have to comply here as well. Hey Nazam, beautiful. I hold it, didn't hit my 15, turned blue now. Nice, Stofie. Yeah, this chat, this little zone here, this is gonna be the make or break here for GU. Bulls are gonna need to hold this level if they're gonna continue higher, and bears are gonna need to slice this level. That is what the bears are gonna need to do, or the bulls are gonna need to say, we are holding this level, we're taking it back here. Ooh, might get a little bang ski, yeah.
Go for it, Chris.
Ah!
Can't be that hard to get 10 pips.
Let me just bang out 10 pips here. Bang 10 pips out on them. Bro, on GU, 10 pips is a swing trade, eh? On GU, 10 pips is a swing trade. Many don't understand that. Through all of this, GU has now officially moved 5 pips. Yes, okay. GJ, come on, give us 10. Give me 10 pips, not us. There's no us here.
Guys, I'm just waiting for the day Chris is going to be trading like GU again. Then he's going to be back to UJ. Then US ZAR's going to come back out again. Chris is going to the archives.
Going back to the dark side. The dark side. Alright, GJ just saying no. None of this madness you guys speak of. We're holding the line. No, bro, no, I think it's chalked, eh? It's chalked. US 30, nice. Again, no test there, just Nasdaq, Keeks, Nasdaq was actually clean. There was a test of the pivot. There's the minor break.
Bro, I don't even know when last I've honestly traded Nasdaq.
Yeah, but it has been clean. I think this might have had you sweating a bit. This year might have had
consolidation there.
There you would have sweated some balls, but other than that, and then gold. NCS playing some new bangers. Yo, dude, USD ZAR, the spread on that thing is, even if you go on a 1 minute, dude, it looks like your screen is glitching. That spread is like this. Years ago when I traded it on one of my bigger accounts, Keegs, enter like a decent lot size just by opening down 10k. Just like immediate, boom, spread 10k. And then I was like, sure, okay, no, this could get ugly real quick.
Just need the yen to come in here, bro. BOJ just to drop a little nuke there.
I actually want to see what is the spread now on USD ZAR. USD ZAR. I messed up now. No, man. Oh, I choked my charts. Okay, wait, let's see it, yeah. USD. Dude, there was a time when I also USDs are not bad.
Bro, when I met you, you were trading USDs off.
Okay, no, these spreads are horrific. There's no volume on it though, Chad. If you go and check the COT report, there's like, I don't even think there's 300 contracts on USDZAR on the comics. Not the comics, Chicago, CME. Must Keegs, what do you rate? Must I call it a day for myself, or do you think we bang one out here on GJ?
Bro, there's no we. That is your trade.
Okay.
You're trading GJ.
But I'm talking about me and my trading alter ego. What do you rate?
I'm gonna say, bro, it's a Friday. I personally always say, guys, I won't force things on a Friday because then you go into the whole weekend pissed off with yourself. So if it's not there, if it's not part of the plan.
But you can't give me advice, even though we.
No. What I will say is literally what we spoke about this morning.
Oh, what is my plan?
The criteria, if it's right there next to you now, if that's the plan, do it.
Okay.
If it's not the plan, don't make excuses for it to be the plan.
Keegs, absolutely wise words from a young man. Absolutely wise words.
So just like anyone else, guys, have your strategy next to you. And if it doesn't meet the strategy, don't do it. If it meets the strategy, do it.
No, you can't say stuff like that.
No, I'm saying if it's their strategy. I'm saying follow your plan. If that's what you analyze, you do that.
We're gonna need to get somebody in from compliance just to sit here for like a week with a horn. Like, Keeks.
But that thing said, do you even just tell people to do what they do, what they expect?
It's like you're gonna.
I'm not telling you to do that.
I think I don't want to name names, but the one chick from compliance. I think if she had to sit through one stream, like 5 heart attacks, she'll be like, mute, cut. Guys, what are you saying here? What are you doing? Imagine they have like little horn kicks, like as soon as you want to drop something that's maybe potentially advice, like, no, time out. Yeah, luckily we got a lot of volume here today. A lot of volume. Beautiful volume here in the markets.
From that consolidation, like the bottom there, to the top, how many pips has that been?
Dude, I think it's like 20, 17. If this wick wasn't like this, my idea for me was I wanted to go with a young sell stop there. And 20 pips stop because that 196. But again, here's the thing. You're going to need to see volume come in here. And yeah. Because it's major levels being rejected. That was my idea. But like Keegan said, it's Friday. Why do you want to kick yourself in the head on a Friday? And then also looking left, we've got basically the support area there. And then also you've got that resistance. So this thing could just consolidate before the next move up. What is GU doing? And GU is just bumping and grinding. Like Keegan said, a teenager at a socky. But yeah, that was the idea for me. Double retest here. There was your minor structure being broken. If I go in a line chart, see the order flow starting to produce some bearish price action. And yeah, that was the idea for me. That was the idea for me. Has it done 10 pips? That was the idea. Keegs, I'm going for that 10 pip thing because I also want to say stuff like, murdered, killed, destroyed. TP1 has been hit.
Is it murdered or destroyed when it's 10 pips?
Just a mini murder.
Yours is just like a little concussion.
Yeah, just like a car hit you. Like you went across the road, it's like, poof. Yeah, Chad, there it goes. Now, I'm honestly gonna bang those 10 pips. Like it's low hanging fruit. It's easy if you bang it with a 5 or a 10 lot or whatever. That's decent. I can promise you, if I go for 10 pips, and the guys that have traded with me, I will have a very, very high win rate with 10 pips. Very, very high. Gigs, I almost want to say my setups on 10 pips is more high probable than most out there. The way that I trade.
Right, yeah.
It's I'm actually going to test that. See if I can do like a 95% win rate.
Nah, I definitely think for you that would work.
Then
Something like that I definitely think would work
no,
for you.
it's just it looks good on your CV though. Like saying I've got a 97% win rate.
But what happens when the wins is only 2 pips? Is it still impressive?
No, I'm going to go 10 pip. I'm going to go for the 10 pip.
No, I'm like, guys, I'm promise I'm not taking jabs at anyone now, like, jokes aside. Like, if someone wanted to have a super, super high win rate, you just get stupid with what pips you take. Let's advertise it as we've seen some guys now advertise hyper scalping. Now you hyper scalping, you only...
What did you say?
Hyper scalping.
Hyper scalping.
Yeah. And now you
Hyper
target 5 pips.
Keegs, what is hyper scalping?
It's like your high frequency bot trading,
Yeah.
but you doing it. It's not a bot. So you literally buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell.
Hyper scalping. I thought hyper scalping is when you're scalping in a hyper car. Almost like scuba scalping when you scalp while you scuba. Hyper scalping.
So is it really worth? I don't know. As I said, guys, I mean, I've had times where I've been crazy, like on the markets. I've had times it's been normal, but I've never had like a crazy RR. I'd say for me, and like, I think the best I've ever had in a good month still was like a 72-73% win rate. The rest of the time it's literally like a 60 or something, 60-50.
Keeks, you know what I want to go for just for a little bit and try it out, the 10 pips, is just that low-hanging fruit we've talked about. And even like GU, 15 pips is a stretch. I feel like GJ20 is reasonable. But just purely for that fact of like stacking wins, like just seeing, because remember that time we tested the 10 pip gang, they didn't lose a trade. Think about it. Remember that 1 month when I said I hit a lot of break evens, a lot of trades, coulda, woulda, shoulda, it was up to or this, that. So now imagine just stacking those little wins. And remember, my risk management is not like set and forget. So technically, even if I go 10 pips, I still have a positive RR because I close the trades usually at 3 to 5 pip stop.
Yeah.
So the arbitrary number there is that I can still maintain a 2R. You hear what I'm saying? Because your stop loss technically is it's arbitrary. I can have no stop and then what is my RR? Or I can have it.
100% get what you're saying. And I mean, the mathematical side, yes, it does make sense. The only problem, and again, that's just the way my mind is processed, I guess, is that in the last if you trade that way, the last 3 days, New York session, we've made 2.5 months worth of trading for you then. No, I'm
But
just
here's
saying,
the
so
thing.
that's what I'm saying.
But
That
here's
is
the
my
thing.
only
You can't compare the volatility of an instrument like US30 against GU, where the daily range of GU is less than the 1 minute range on
No, that's what I'm
US30.
saying. I get what you're saying. I 100% agree with you. But it's just like I said, that's what it's just maybe the way my mind's processed. But like where now someone's going to have to graft 2 months work of solid high win rates, all these things.
Not really though, but because that's what I'm saying. The going for 10, risking technically 5 pips.
Yeah, so you're having positive
My RR
yeah.
is better than the cracker because the cracker is 1-to-1. So even though the pip count is high, your risk to reward is 1-to-1.
Yeah.
So if you cannot manage let's say you take full stops.
So you're going to put a 1% on that 10 pips.
Yeah. It's arbitrary. It's a 1-to-1. That's why I say you can go with a 2 pip stop and a 2 pip target, and it's still a 1-to-1.
So here's my only thing though. Okay, so if you have a decent account, how's your margin gonna handle that?
No, for
'Cause
10 lots
the
you
bigger
only
the account.
for 10
to
lots you
place
only
1%.
for 10 lots you only need $400 margin on a 10 lot on currencies.
Okay.
You only need $400 margin requirement.
All right.
But you hear my thing.
No, I get what you're saying.
This is what
I
I'm
get
this
what
is
you're
what I'm
saying.
thinking is that it's arbitrary. But I'm not saying technically I won't be trading negative RR chat because I will try to mitigate my loss. I will try and as far as I can. For the guys that have seen me trade, I will be very aggressive on the trade management. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to me. I wouldn't be that dummy that sits in the market and like, okay, I do this. There's my stop, and I'll hold till my stop hits or whatever. You gotta manage it.
No, that's just I
You
do
gotta
get
be
what you're
tight.
saying.
That's why my thing is GU 10 pip target, basically anywhere between a 10 pip stop and a 15 pip stop, and then GJ 15 pip target with 20 to a 15 pip, and then you just manage it very aggressively. I just want to test myself a little bit on it and see how it goes. Chris has joined. Dylan, it's not really even that. I was looking at some of these stock traders that trade on the 1 minute, and I don't know if you've seen that, Keeks. Like the boys, that is madness. The guys would stack trades, and then as they go up, they'll take trades out, and then they'll add trades again. It's like just dots, dude. It's like, all right, adding here, okay, taking some off, shorting there. Madness. And I thought, like, I don't want to say we trade very rigid, but they are very, very dynamic, and it's and even on, let's say, NASDAQ or US 30, they would, let's say they took a buy here. Let's say they took a buy and they're like, okay, nice, we've got this breakout, I'm adding there. Then as this moves up, they will move their stops along. They'll just keep on moving their stops, and they're like, oh, okay, I'm out. And that's where I sometimes feel as CFD traders, we almost get rigid. It's like we're not active enough. But the cracker for me, me and Keegs had a chat this morning. The cracker and the opening range. What Keegan showed me last night was...
We're going to be leveling some things up for the guys.
Disgusting. Disgusting stuff.
And you know, bro, honestly, like literally last night, I was sitting there, I was just going through some things, and I was just like, you know what, I want to go back on the charts, I want to look at a few things, and very similar way about how I came about the cracker, and I just started doing some back testing, and I was like, damn, bro, in the last 3 weeks, like you've got two outcomes, a outcome, a B outcome, you just wait. You get it,
opening range,
and and it played out every single time. Like you got to be patient and wait for it, but it worked every single time.
Dude, this week you would have.
This week as well, you wouldn't have taken a loss on it.
This week, let's say. No.
That's just stupid, bro.
Etienne, I don't know him. Somebody mentioned that I must get him on, and he said he will. I must just send him a date. But I don't know. Like I said, I don't know the validity of what the man does, but it just gives me that MLM vibes. Like he's selling, and he looks like that guy that's part of like a MLM structure. Like he's gonna invite you to these conferences, almost like that Tupperware club. Like, hey, check this Tupperware. We've got a Tupperware party, and everyone comes there, and it's like, yo, beautiful Tupperware. And also almost like the Herbalife. We're doing the next Herbalife 6-week challenge. I know a lot of the guys that are in churches, the cell groups, they want to become cell leaders, geeks, to punt their Herbalife product.
Hey, bro.
Dude, I swear to you, the one home cell we went to, these guys were showing that they're very good people, but it's like, all right, guys, we're here in the cell, and then yes, please, Chris, that stream will blow up. What stream now, Jason? And then we do the home cell thing, and they're like, hey guys, I don't know if you know this product. It's called Herbalife, but we're actually doing like a 6 weeks challenge. And yeah, here's a little link. Get this little protein shake. We're gonna do so. They recruited the home cell people and the people at church. Bro, and then Manatech started infiltrating. Dude, and you know Alsaby?
Yeah.
Like Alsaby, like I know Manatech from many years ago when I paid 4,500 Rand for gummy bears. But anyways, the most expensive gummy bears that I've seen in my life. But anyway, Alsaby comes to me and she's like, yo, listen here, this lady from church, she just showed us this product, it's glyconutrients. And I'm like, please don't, I'm like, did you say glyconutrient? Did you say Manatech? And I'm like, please don't get out of my office. I don't want to ever hear that word again. And she's like, yo, you're always negative. It's only 7,500 Rand. And I'm like, listen to yourself. And yeah, a month later, I'm like, how's those glyconutrients going? Oh, yes, dude. I even called Alsaby, bro. I think she paid 7.5 for some some powder or something. I don't know. No, Stove, I believe the product works well. I believe like there is tech behind it, but hey man, MLM is a different beast. Lolly said on that stream one, who said this? You lose 4 trades and you win 4 trades. That's how you make. What? Alright, Keegs, are you ready to throw in that towel, my brother?
Hey, I'm ready, my brother.
Did you ever do like some multi-level marketing?
Nah. Never was my calling.
Bro, so those bears, I'll never forget it. When I got it in this box, this is what I got. I think I bought a starter pack. I don't know, can't remember. It's like you pay 3.5 if you don't want to pay the 7 or the 10k, and then you build your legs and the way they catch is like, bro, you don't worry, I'm gonna build your one leg. You just have to get 2 guys here. And I actually felt bad, and I said, no, bro, I'll do it just for you, but I'm not building any legs. And it's like, yo, I get these incredible products, and this came in, and I was like, I'm like 3,500 Rand for the mana bears. I'm like, sure.
That is crazy, bro. I'm honestly amazed you played that.
Bro, I cried a little bit, and 3.5k, and I was like, sure.
Wait, what were they meant to do?
The mana bears.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's there's something in them. Glycans from manapole powder. It's glyconutrients, Keegs. Bro, some of the guys, okay, there were some guys that really did well with this MLM. Some guys, I don't know if it's still big, if you can you still do mana, is Manatech still a thing? Wait, let's just check, is Manatech, is it still a MLM? Dude, I still have my leg somewhere there. I don't know if the guys ever built my leg. Manatech, just ready to rip. All right, there's GJ chat, beautiful. There's that move 196 as mentioned, untested, previous daily high, previous weekly high. Actually, I had a sell stop there, deleted it for me personally. Like Keegan said, I was just like, yeah. Anyways, good idea. Shared your ideation. GU as well, right idea. Just not a lot of volume. But again, right idea there. Pullback, major daily key levels. So ultimately, analysis playing out here beautifully. But yeah, Keegs, I rate that was the idea I had there. And then this one, you talked me out of here. All good. No hate from a brother. Oh, GU, 10 pips scored. Beautiful. 7 sugars. We only get 2 in from our food. Stove's going to sell us here. No, I'm kidding, Stovey. No, Stove, I honestly researched it as well. The product is good. Chad, it's not a small company. They are listed on the NASDAQ, so they are a big company. It's just, yeah, I think some people got cracked with the multi-level marketing. They stock. Shish. Nice little pop, and now it just died. But what is it trading now? Sure. Okay. Chad, pray for Manatech. Let's get Manatech. Let's make Manatech great again. No, I'm kidding. Yes, I'll get into cuck even saying that. Keeks, any closing remarks, my brother?
Nah. Honestly, guys, it was a good session. Very vibey. Enjoyed the session. Nothing really on the charts. But yeah, it was always good being here. But yeah, we're going to see what we can do in New York.
I was the only one making 60k and vouchers. No, I don't like got anything. Hey, bro. MLM. Chad, I think beautiful analysis here today. It's just it's a case of it's been a long week. I feel you sometimes tune out a little bit. Something me and Keeks talked about as well. Streams sometimes take away from the focus a little bit, but also sometimes it's good just to pull back, relax a little bit. But yeah, Keeks. Chad, I'm not going to be here this afternoon. I'm taking a half day. Keegan gave me off for the half day. And then Keeks, do you want to mention the structure going forward from next week? For the streams?
Oh, yeah, we can.
I think maybe let's chat about that.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So obviously, I think people have always, if you've been around, you've known Chris and myself have always said we're not someone that's, we don't believe in that you have to have the whole pie for yourself. There's more than enough to go around, and as things grow, you're actually going to stunt your growth if you're trying to do everything yourself. It's about building a team, backing people that you back and you believe in, and letting them help you where they can and taking some load off of you. Obviously, where things are growing, where 2Gs are growing, Vault Fund is growing, Chris has obviously got responsibilities. I've got other things to do as well. And sitting on stream for 6 hours a day sometimes just obviously takes away a lot of your day. So we've made the outcome that obviously I have made a major shift to New York. That again, not that I don't trade London, but obviously it's very rare that I do now. So we obviously made the call that we were going to bring on a London trader. So I'll be here still. I'll be in and out the background sometimes. Maybe I'll even be a little third-party voice here as well and still join the guys. But Miles is, as you can see, the name underneath, is going to be joining us. Miles will officially be part of the 2G's team. And we'll be trading London. So how it'll work is Mondays to Thursdays, He will join Chris for the London session. As I say, every now and again, I'll join you guys and we'll have all three of us. But he'll be here, and then obviously in New York, it will be me and Chris. And then how we're going to do it is Fridays, London and New York will be me and Chris. So you will have the OGs, the 2Gs, always on a Friday. But it's just a part of growth. We've seen, obviously, you guys know Miles, he's been around. So again, I hope you guys accept him. Hope you guys welcome him with open arms. But we just thought it's the best thing moving forward for the team to carry on growing.
Yeah, Chad, and then also what we are going to do, we're going to have the Player 23 cam. So we're actually getting another setup here. So it's just that Keegan can still sit and work there. He's still going to watch the charts. But what's going to happen is he can chime in. If he sees something, he can still be part of the conversation if he wants to. So we're actually going to have the Player 23 cam. He'll be able to share his screen. It's just that the thing is, if you're two guys, there's I almost want to call it two anchors. And if Keegan is an anchor, he can't stand up, and I can't keep walking away, coming back, walking away, coming back. So that's the idea. And then later on, we've got somebody that we've earmarked for NYSE. But ultimately, what we want to try and do is get a rotation system. Just so it's a case of, if I've got a very busy day ahead of me, meetings, all of that, then I say on the register, Wednesday I can only do London, or Wednesday I can do New York. So we want to try and get streamers in our system. And it's not like we want to stop streaming. It's just that we want to rotate and just give ourselves also time. Because I've told you guys so many times, the times I miss on stream, I have to catch up when I get home. So my day stops like at 11, 12 o'clock at night, because I now have to catch up on all of that admin. So the streams is still the main thing, and we just want to make sure for that longevity that we get guys on that we trust. Miles is somebody that we trust, and then also get that register where it's a case of, I think four is good, Keeks, and we can rotate in and between. And I think for you guys as well, I think it will be very,
you guys
very
are going to be
good.
exposed to more trading styles.
More trading, it's more people, and ultimately, Chad, that's what we felt. And we'll always be chatting to you guys, get your feedback. But ultimately, like we said, for the longevity of where we're going, we're going to need to bring in some people to assist and to help. So
Ed, unfortunately not. He'll be part of the 2G's team, but it will always be the 2Gs. It will always be me and Chris. We are the OGs. We're the ones that started this bad boy.
wait, what did it say?
No, he's like, so will Miles be the 3rd G?
No.
So you'll be part of the team, but it will always only be the 2Gs.
I thought Shaquille was going to be on the streams. Dorian, we never knew what Shaq's plan was, though. It was always this grey area. So no. Miles is somebody that wants to be on. There's no agenda from his side or anything. I think it's just the 3 traders looking to work together and provide value for the community. So,
and he's not someone who's ever hidden anything from us. He's very open. We all respect each other. I mean, he's come to Chris for questions. I think me and him have spoken about stuff. So we're all about growing and helping each other. So again, we've always said we will only expose our community to people we really do back. And he's proved that to us. So yeah, he's probably, guys, if you go back to the very beginning, we always said the dream was one day to build a trader society. Like we said, where you will have this access to multiple, in a way, mentors, things like this. You can have your originals, if you want to call it that, but there will be access to more, and that's just the start of it now.
Etienne, do you guys want to buy the merch, or do you just want the merch? I don't realize merch is so expensive. It's almost more expensive to get stuff made than actually. No, I'm kidding. Etienne, we will. We're just testing 1 or 2 more materials, but I feel Keegs, are you happy with the shirt?
I'm
Is
happy
very,
with
very
it.
good
the
quality.
shirt and the hoodie, bro.
Yeah.
I really like the hoodies.
Okay, so Chad, beautiful. Thank you so much. So from Monday, Miles will be on deck with me. So we thought we'd just make that official announcement there. Please welcome him. He is, like I said, a family of the channel. And going forward, we're going to obviously always keep tap on what you guys want and how you feel. Keeks, really appreciate it. Thank you for giving me the day off and signing off on my leave form. I really appreciate. Maybe I'll give you off next Friday. But Chad, peace and love, baby. See you guys on Monday. Chad, you guys are going 5 for 5. Please phone me after you've gone 5 for 5. This is the first 5 out of 5 week for the cracker. Enjoy it. Cheers.
Cheers, Chad.
To find down in the cavern.